In this video, we have to simplify this given equation 4 squared times 3 squared minus 2 squared times 2 power 5 all power 3/4. Let's recap the power of a product rule. A power x times b power x is equal to a times b whole power x. 4 squared times 3 squared is equal to 4 times 3 whole square. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 square, it's equal to 144. So put it here. 4 squared times 3 squared is equal to 144. If we follow the order of operations, we have to multiply this first. Let's recap the exponent product rule. That is a power x times a power y, it is equal to a power x plus y, which means that 2 squared times 2 power 5 is equal to 2 power 2 plus 5 is equal to 2 power 7. And 2 power 7 can be 32 times 4. 32 is 2 power 5 and 2 power 2 is 4. It's equal to 128. 2 squared times 2 power 5 is equal to 128. And then we can subtract already. So 4 squared times 3 squared is 144, and then minus 2 squared times 2 power 5 is 128. Now this becomes 144 minus 128 power 3/4 equals to 16 power 3/4. Let's recall the fraction exponent rule. X power m over n is equal to the nth root of x power m. So let's apply the rule to this. 16 power 3/4 is equal to the 4th root of 16 cubed. We can move it here. This becomes 4th root of 16 all cubed. And we know that 16 is 2 power 4, so 4th root of 16 becomes 2. Then we'll still keep the power. And lastly, we will simplify 2 cubed. And 2 cubed is simply equal to 8. So the equation 4 squared times 3 squared minus 2 squared times 2 power 5 whole power 3/4 is equal to 8. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Goodbye.